Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. During this session, we'll guide you through the essential steps of user management, covering activation, deactivation, and deletion of users in the Asset Plus CMMS platform. Now let's learn how to temporarily inactivate and activate the user's access to the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. Let's get started. To activate or deactivate users, you can log into your Fogwing Asset account with manager credentials. Click on the Settings menu item on the menu to navigate to the Settings page of your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Then, click on User Management in the navigation bar and click on the User section. This is where you can manage your users. Select the user you wish to deactivate. Click the three dots under the Action section. Click on the Inactivate option. Then click Yes to deactivate the user successfully. Now, let's learn how to activate the Fogwing Asset Plus platform users. Click on the three dots under the Action section and click the Activate option to activate the user. Press Yes to activate the user. Congratulations! Now you have learned to deactivate and activate the user successfully. Let's learn how to delete user access from the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. Note that self-deletion of the user is not allowed in the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. You can only delete the user you have previously added. Let's get started. Once on the users page in the Fogwing Asset Plus platform, it is first essential to deactivate the users to delete them successfully. So select the user you wish to delete and click the three dots under the Action section. Click on the Inactivate option. Then, click Yes to inactivate the user successfully. Once you have deactivated the users, you can start your user deletion process. Click the three dots under the Action section. Click on the Delete option. Then, click Yes to delete the user successfully. You have deleted a user successfully. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus user management demo. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.